Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you a quick and simple tea that we are having tonight. It's going to be homemade naan bread pizzas. These are the said naan bread. You get 6 in a packet. I like to turn them that way. Now this is, make sure you can see it. This is maybe a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree mixed together with a little bit of water and some mixed herbs. So we'll dollop a spoonful on each one. And just spread it out, get a nice thin layer. I've got a little bit of leftover ham, so I just want to put a little bit of that on. Just break it out to make it nice and small. These are going to get cooked in the air fryer. Just a little bit more. And then I've got some mozzarella. Just try and fill in the gaps a little bit. And then I like to put a little bit of tomato on each one just to try and hold that down in the air fryer. It does have a bit of a habit of going everywhere. No guarantee this will help, but can but try. I quite often will put cheddar cheese on this as well. There we go. I'm going to lift these into the air fryer. We will have 1.5 each. It's quite enough for us. I'm going to set that on 200 on the air fryer for 8 minutes. And while that's doing, just going to make us a little bit of side salad. Right, it has just pinged to let me know it's ready. Boiled over a little bit, it's not too bad. Right, so we like to just chop these in half, lengthways, just to make it a bit easier to get hold of it. You obviously don't eat it straight away because the tomatoes are boiling. Right. Oh, and they're very slippery. Ooh, that's hot. Oh dear, it's like chewing gum. Yay, yay, yay. Right. Chef's treat. So, nice bit of salt and pepper. Then I had some leftover mayonnaise which I've squeezed a little bit of lemon juice in. Hopefully it'll come out, just give us a nice dressing for the salad. There you have it, naan bread pizza. Hope you give it a go because it's really lovely. Mrs. RT for tonight.